Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on avoiding toll roads when navigating on Google Maps. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. If you want to avoid toll roads just for this one specific route, when you are looking at the route overview, tap the three dots button at the top right of the page beside the departure location. Select Route Options from the pop-up. Here you can select Avoid Tolls. You can go back and your route will be updated to avoid toll roads. You can also set the default navigation settings to always avoid tolls. To do that, tap your profile icon from the top right of the screen. On the pop-up, select Settings. Under the Getting Around section, select Navigation. Under the route options here, enable a toggle to avoid tolls. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Google Maps tips and tricks.